Here is the operator signal today. The search bar is becoming the new agent interface. That sounds small, but it is a major product shift. For years, search meant retrieval. You typed a query, got a list, opened tabs, copied context, and did the work somewhere else. The new pattern is different. The search box is becoming a place where the system understands context, reaches into business data, calls agents, and starts work directly. The clearest enterprise signal this week is Salesforce Agentforce Coworker. Salesforce Ben reported on May 22nd that Coworker is positioned as an AI teammate inside every Salesforce search bar. The promise is not just finding records, it is tapping CRM data, workflows, customer history, opportunities, and cases, then taking action in real time. Salesforce's own developer docs show why this matters operationally. Turning on Agentforce Coworker connects to Salesforce CRM, configures search methods, creates the coworker agent, sets up personalization, and maps user identities across Salesforce CRM, Slack, and third-party sources like Google Drive. That is the important part. This is not a chatbot sitting beside the system. It is an agent wired into the identity layer, data layer, search layer, and workflow layer. For operators, that means implementation quality matters more than the demo. Google is pushing the same interface pattern from the consumer and web side. At I/O, Google said AI mode has passed 1 billion monthly users and is now upgraded with Gemini 3.5 Flash as the default model. Google also announced the biggest search box upgrade in over 25 years, with text, images, files, videos, and Chrome tabs as inputs. More importantly, Google is moving into search agents, background information agents that monitor the web, synthesize updates, and can help take action. Search is also getting agentic booking, business calling, and generative UI through anti-gravity. So the pattern is clear. Salesforce is moving agents into CRM search. Google is moving agents into web search. Microsoft and EY are moving AI from pilots to production with forward-deployed engineers, governed data, security, and measurable workflow outcomes. Different products, same direction. The front door to AI is becoming the place where work already begins. Here is the operator playbook. First, treat search as a workflow surface, not a lookup box. If a user searches for an account, a contract, a customer issue, or a policy, ask what the next useful action should be. Draft a follow-up, summarize risk, open a renewal workflow, create a task, route for approval. Second, fix identity before you add autonomy. Agents that can search across CRM, Slack, Drive, email, tickets, and documents need clean permission boundaries. If the agent can see more than the employee should see, you do not have an AI feature. You have a data governance incident waiting to happen. Third, build action tiers. Low-risk actions can happen immediately. Medium-risk actions should be drafted and queued. High-risk actions like sending customer messages, changing records, giving legal or financial guidance, or triggering payments need explicit approval. Fourth, log the path from question to action. A useful enterprise agent should show what it searched, what data it used, what it inferred, what action it proposed, and who approved it. Without that trace, you cannot debug quality, security, or trust. Fifth, measure task completion, not novelty. The metric is not how impressive the answer looks. The metric is whether the agent reduced time to resolution, improved data quality, lowered handoff friction, or helped a human make a better decision. My read, the next interface war is not just chat versus apps. It is whether AI becomes embedded in the command surfaces people already trust: search bars, command palettes, inboxes, CRMs, browsers, and operating systems. The winners will be the teams that connect agents to real context, keep permissions tight, and make every action reviewable. The search bar is becoming operational. Treat it like production infrastructure.